Okay, now we have Doc in red. Checking out the bird. Oh, I distracted you by having the bird wing. There we go. Alright, so we have Doc in red, checking out the birdie in the bag. You hear the crying of the ones in the kennel box behind me. Trying to figure out how to grab a hold and take that with it. Oh, it's going to move. Poor bird. All right, so Doc and Red are liking the birdie in the bag.